Wet or dry, begin by spritzing the hair using a detangling spray and then brush out any tangles. Section the hair from the top of the head to the ear and clip that section out of the way. Repeat the same thing on the other side. You're going to take the back section and subsection that into smaller sections. Depending on how thick your little girl's hair is, you will want to section this either in half, maybe into 3 or even into 4 sections. The thicker her hair is, the more sections you will need. Our little girl in the video has finer hair, so we're only sectioning this in half. Comb the underneath section straight down and have your little girl look down towards the ground. This will prevent unevenness when she moves her head around. Take the very middle section and cut that first. The size of the section should be about the length of your finger. You never want to take more than that at a time. Use the hair you just cut as a guide to cut the remaining longer hair. Check for any remaining longer strands and cut anything that you see hanging past your line. Once all of that looks even, take down your remaining section and comb it past the hair that you cut. You should be able to see through the hair and use your underneath section as a guide to cut the top section. If the section is too thick and you can't see through it, you will need to section into smaller sections. Check for evenness by pulling hairs from the farthest away from each other and bring them into the center to make sure that they are the same length. If one piece is longer, you'll need to cut it to even them out. Once the back has been cut, pull down the side sections to begin cutting those. On some finer-haired little girls, the front sections may already be shorter than the back, so just cut anything that's hanging longer than the back section that you cut. If there's nothing to cut, you may want to just angle your fingers slightly so that you can trim the ends of those hairs in the front that are shorter. Repeat this on both sides. Also for the front sections, make sure that your little girl has her head up and that she's no longer looking at the ground. It's normal for there to be much more hair on one side of the head, especially if your little girl has a deep side part. The side with the heavier section may have a lot more hair to cut than the other side. If you angled the hair slightly on one side, make sure that you do the same thing on the opposite side for balance. Once all of the hair has been cut, bring the hair forward to make sure it's even. Your little girl will need to keep her head straight for this. My little girl kept tilting her head to the side, so it was a little bit tricky to make sure it was even. Another trick is to comb all of the hair forward over her face and just see if there's anything that's hanging really long. If there is, you would want to trim that for an overall balance. Do one final check all the way around to make sure all of the hair looks even. The last and most important step is to make sure that your little girl loves it. I think it's safe to say that our little girl is loving her new style.